The UK is acquiring 50 remanufactured AH-64D airframes to the E standard, which adds additional sensor, performance, and weapons capabilities. The UK Ministry of Defence's MOD planned acquisition of 50 AH-64E Apache attack helicopters via a foreign military sale FMS arrangement with the US government appears to be running to budget, according to the latest figures. Citing from Army Technology website, detailing the currently initial procurement cost of the UK Apache FMS with the UK Defence Procurement Minister James Cartledge stated on May 17, 2024, that the current forecast was £1.793 billion, or work $2.3 billion against an approval of £1.999 billion. This is broadly on track with the figures outlined in the earlier FMS agreement between the UK and US. In addition, the long-term training and support for the British Army's future AH-64E, which will be supplied by Boeing Defence UK through the current 5-year long-term training and support contract, has a value of £341.2 million, not including actual operating costs of the platform, which are accounted for separately. This sees a change in sustainment provision, with the older Mk1 Apaches in service with the British Army being maintained by Leonardo until they leave service. The 20-year agreement with BDUK will cover aircraft design organization services, maintenance, logistics support, pilot and maintainer and ground crew training.